How to make a sandbag wall. One way to keep flood water from affecting part of your property is to build a sandbag wall. First, let's look at the bag. Empty sandbags can be purchased at most building supply stores in Ottawa. Only fill each bag 2/3 of the way, as overfilled bags are not as effective and become too heavy to remove later once saturated with water. A propped ladder and a pylon makes for a stable workspace. Carefully cut the pylon to create a syphon for the sand. When filling sandbags, work in teams of 3 or more and wear safety boots, gloves, and eye protection. To build our wall, we created a base layer 4 bags wide, overlapping the sides slightly. When you lay your sandbags, make sure to overlap the seams. Position the bottom seam of the bag towards the water and the tied end toward the shore. Then, stack sandbags in a pyramid style on all sides. With this pyramid design, if you want a higher wall, you will need to make it wider at the base to begin with. A 10-meter wall, 2 feet in height, would require approximately 100 bags. This is one way to build a sandbag wall. For more information on flood mitigation, visit ottawa.ca.